Hi guys, so we're stopped for breakfast. We're at CSC. It's a beautiful little cafe. We're sitting outside to absorb all this beautiful warm sun because it's bloody freezing this early. And we've got breakfast. Do you want to see the breakfast? So look, that's my one. Then we've got Jason's plain bacon and eggs, basically.
Beautiful. 2468, bog in, don't wait. That's me.
Yum yum.
Right, so we just finished our brekkie. Wow, what a good feed, man. Fucking beautiful. The scrambled eggs, probably have to be the best scrambled eggs I've had. Maybe they put cream or something in, I don't know, but far out, man, the best I've ever had. But yeah, good feed. Bacon was good too. Bacon's bacon, but yeah. Alright, so we're going to go check out the old prison. Hopefully they don't keep me there. You right?
Yeah.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
That's probably good rest. Pretty crazy rest. Just gotta hope they don't keep me here, eh? I think I've been a good boy on this ride. Have I been a good man?
37. Pardon?
Have I been a good man on this ride?
Yeah. You haven't even hardly stressed, which is something. That's fantastic.
Oh, for fuck's sake, mate. Too funny. I asked them if they'd give me a get out of jail card, but they couldn't guarantee me that, so fingers crossed we'll see how we go. Check this joint out, this is amazing.
When the door slams shut, the dreadful gloom rushed in. It brings terror. The air thick and poisonous. It carries the curses and prayers of all men who have suffered in this hell.
That's sacred.
Once I stood still, listening for the slightest sound, so that I might have some idea of the time, but the silence did not answer back. The instant I paused, the darkness again attacked me.
Fuck, you go nuts being locked in something like that, just black. Wow, that's crazy. Poor buggers.
This is another one. Oh, you can actually walk in this one. Gives you a fair idea what it's like. Imagine being locked. People were locked in here.
How small?
No toilet.
1,
28 days.
2,
2 big steps.
3. Look how thick the walls are. Yeah, it would have been a shit house, it would have been a bucket or something. You didn't have plumbing back then, Chris.
Bloody hell. And so this is like sacred, right?
Yeah, it's... I'm walk alright.
What's the old sunsilk? Oh, they made a bong out of it. Is that what that is? Or
Yeah.
And they're the shivs.
Oh, this one can have 2 out. Holy shit. What's going on there? escape. Got to pack lunch, got his boots. Oh mate's up for the fucking seal. Hey, look out, an escapee. Sure isn't me, man. Found a padded cell. So the padded cell is to stop people harming themselves. So just put them in a padded cell. I think most of the time they're pretty much near naked, so then they can't hang themselves, they can't bash themselves against the wall, they can't bash their head against the wall, nothing like that. So yeah, wow. So they can't do no harm at all.
So look at who I've locked in the padded cell.
I'm sorry, love, I didn't mean to call you a bitch. Sorry, cow. Them females. The old shitter. Wow. This guy.
Look, actual toilet. Male's over there and female there. I'm gonna go in a minute. Oh, this is the, like,
Reception.
yeah. Like where they sat. Oh my god. No, what the fuck? Everyone executed here. Civil execution.
Yeah, these are all the guys that were executed here, eh? Wow, poor buggers. Check out this.
The artifact of the execution.
Oh, look, on the wall there.
Yeah.
Projector.
It shows you how they do it. This is how they paint it. See, forms, jail forms, report of misconduct by a prisoner. This is if you want to visit a prisoner. And then this one here is for photographic description sheet. So when they're taking their mug shot is that one. When they're corrective service. This is like. Look at the bloody torture.
Another fireplace.
This would have been another office.
Oh, this is where they'll be hung. Up there. Wow. That's crazy. Even all the stairs, a lot of them are gone.
No, the stairs are actually in there.
Where are they?
Along with the drop door and everything. And the other things that were down to the room.
Pretty interesting, eh? Really? When you look at places like this with our history, it's pretty interesting. Alright, so I just found the laundry while I'm here at Dubbo Jail. Check this out. This is where they used to wash their clothes. Oh. Table. So they used to spin dry their clothes. Well, you wouldn't spin dry, roll dry them, then hang them up. Eh? And you women say you've got it tough than being a housewife these days. I think back in the day was a bit tougher. Just saying. What's that?
And like women were here.
Yeah.
There was no separation. What? Look, here's these little toilets.
Oh, we're gonna check the toilet block out. Oh wow.
That was the toilet.
Look at the wooden parts, look at the sides, man, just wood.
So what was that for? Men or something to piss in the corner?
I don't know.
Or get changed because there's a wash basin. Oh, no, that's weird.
Alright, so this is the females division.
They were separated.
They were separated.
The exit is down this trapdoor into the courthouse grounds.
Hey, look like
Eh?
these stairs are very steep. Did you go to the women's bathroom?
No.
And look, there was a store for the jailers. You can't go in there, but... And there's only 2 women's cells, but they had 2 per room.
These dunnies blow me out, man.
But it was all open. There's no women's cells. There's only 2 cells. And they get 2 beds in there. Look at the map. And that's where the gallows is.
No.
In there. Very dangerous. Look. To be honest, I think that this was where they done medical.
Did medical? Holy smoke, look at that.
And the visiting surgeon, he used to come in, look. Henry Innes Tresitter or something. Tresitter. Why is it got aircon in here?
Sick in a cell. I don't know why it's got an aircon there. It's crazy. this is the hospital more or less.
Yeah, this is where the sick prisoners used. 1955, G. Hatton. He must have been in hospital here. Here, look at the paint scraping. In 1970s, it was pale green. In 1940 to 50s was pink. And then that's a pale green there, 1970. Then in 1930s was the emerald green and cream, that one. And then red and orange was a stone colour above the black line. So look what I found. I'm just going to leave him here, seriously.
Wow.
I am so leaving him here.
Hey, what's going on in here?
Oh no, it's like a holding cell sort of thing, but it's got the rations of males, females, in different sections. Look. And it'll tell you how many ounces of whatever and pounds they were allowed to have. Oh, that's a guide, dietary scale.
Gordon Ramsay cooking here, do you?
Okay, look, see, this will boil the water and then they'll put it in the thing. Look at the big stewing pot. And you scrape the bottom with that thing.
Well, you got to
And
cook.
the ovens,
You need something like that. You need to cook for a lot of the sellies.
grill, and more ovens. And that's how they used to cook. Wow. Do you know how good the food probably would have been back in that day?
Yeah.
Especially cooking with that, like in fish stewing.
I reckon it was good. You know why? It probably took a bit more pride these days, back in them days.
Have to go back to their
Alright, so I think the bell works, eh? Wow, how loud's that? Well, it works.
Oh, so this one, okay, yeah, that goes through to the other section. So we've seen it all now. Door.
Alright guys, so we finished at the old jail at Dubbo. So we're going to go jump on the bike, get some kilometres off. How long does it say, Chris?
3 hours and 50 minutes.
3 hours 50, but usually by the time you stop and everything, we need to get fuel too. So by the time you stop or something for a break, it never always adds up, man. It's always something different, you know. So
It's great.
oh, that's their storage. Cool. There's what? Check this out. I found a well. Alright, we found some graves here too, man. Check this out. Alright guys, so we're on our way out now. But they didn't keep me, thank God. Talk soon, back on the road. Alright guys, so we just finished in the jail. We just come down here. We're at Mitchell's Adventures. It's like a disposal store. Come down, if you're down in Dubbo, drop in and check it out. It's pretty cool. I'll give you a quick look. Hey, check this out. The old treadly up top.
That would have been hilarious.
Got bits and pieces of everything. Hey, look, it looks like the missus has found a friend.
More dangerous near the edge, where we could go right there and we've got conduit. You know what I mean?
When they get in their store,
Guys, it goes a fair way up, guys. So if You're down here in Dubbo, drop in. Mitchell's Adventures. Cheers, man.